Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial ay pag-usapan natin ang triangle using the formulas of law of sine and the law of cosine, which were developed by the Persian mathematicians. Triangle. Wow! Kung sa totoong buhay pa, may love triangle. Naranasan ko yan. Masakit yan eh. Basta love triangle. Tatlong anggulo eh. Anyway, kahit bata pa naman tayo, alam na natin kung ano yung triangular shape, diba? Kasi tinuro sa atin ng ng teachers natin. Kaya lang, minsan kasi, talagang, kahit alam natin yung triangle, pero hindi natin alam talaga yung ano talaga yung triangle, ang properties ng triangle, ano yung, saan yung sides, ano yung angles, baka meron pang hindi alam or nakalimutan lang nila. Anyway, a triangle has the following given parts. A is 0.65, B is 0.75, C is 78.9. Now, here, dahil wala, itong given dito na A and B, wala namang nakasulat na units of measurement. Pero yung isa, meron, which is in degrees. That means, yan ang angle yan. Din ito rin, yan ang length ng sides. Kasi dalawa lang ang ano dyan, hanapin natin, yung side, at saka yung angles ng triangle. Dito, dahil klaro naman dito na ang A and B is hindi magkapareho ng length. So, understood na yan na irregular triangle yan. So, ang tanong dito, first, compute the value of C. Now, ano yung C na yan? That means, kasi itong side na yan, the value C kasi small c yan eh. Yung side niya, ang hahanapin natin. Kung gagamitan natin ng Pythagorean theorem, hindi naman pwede kasi ang Pythagorean theorem is only for it's a right-angled triangle. That means this is 90 degrees. Hindi naman yan pwede sa hindi naman yan right-angled triangle. So, kasi kung right-angled triangle, madali lang hanapin natin ang sides, di ba? Using Pythagorean theorem. The best na magamit natin na formula dito is the law of sine at ang law of cosines developed by the Persian mathematicians. So, here, sabi dito, compute the value of C. Sa law of, kung halimbawa, natin ang law of cosine, which state that, for example, C ang hinahanap natin dito, C squared is equal to the other side squared, A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine of the opposite angle which is C. Kasi side ang hinahanap natin. So, ang opposite na angle, sure. So, para madali memorize yan, see? A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine of C, the angle. So, dito, may given na A, may given na B, mayroong given na C, which is 78.9 degrees. So, masolve natin ang C, side C. Kasi, ang law of cosine, magamit natin yan pag-solve ng problem kung hahanapin natin ang one side with the given two sides and an angle, or with the given three sides tapos walang angle na given. So, pwede natin gamitan yan ng law of cosine. Kasi kung given ang tatlong sides, masolve natin ang angle. Angle C, for example. So, dito, dahil dalawang side ang given, tapos ang opposite na angle, which is cosine, angle C, so, masolve natin ang side C. By substituting the values of A, which is 0.65 squared plus B, which is 0.75 squared minus 2 times A, which is 0.65 times C, which is 75, cosine of C. So, of course, the C, cosine of C, which is 78.9 degrees. So, dito, simplifying this one will result to side C, therefore, is equal to 0.89. Yan, nasolve na natin ang side C. That means, yung question number 1, nasolve na natin. Now, we'll go to the question number 2. The value of B. Now, that means the angle B ang hanapin natin. So, madali lang yan kasi ang pwede natin gamitin na natin dito ang law of sine. Kasi given na ang two sides, tapos ang isang angle, tapos isang angle na lang gagamitin na ang hanapin natin. Kasi ganito ang halimbawa, A, the value of B. That means B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Kasi, bakit? Ang C natin given na, nasolve na natin. Ang sine C, meron 78.9. Ang B also is given to be 0.75. Tapos, ang hanapin natin na lang is the value of B. The angle B. Yun ang hanapin natin. So, substituting the value of B, side B and C, and the angle C, B therefore is 0.75 over sine B is equal to, C is given, we solve it as 0.89 divided by sine C, which is 78, sine 78.9 degrees. Therefore, we can solve the angle B, which is equal to, where is my calculator? Using the scientific calculator, of course, we solve that angle B is equal to 55.78 degrees. Yun, nakita na natin yung value ng angle B. Yun ang hinahanap. Now, of course, the third question is, compute the value of A. That means, the angle A ang hinahanap natin dito. Kasi kung A na small, hindi naman kasi nandiyan nag-given na. So, yung angle A, of course, lahat naman siguro natin alam na the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, dito, meron na tayong, 180 degrees. What happened to my ball pen? 180 degrees is equal to angle A, B, and C. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. That is, according to mathematics, that the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. So, therefore, angle A, which is This is the one we're looking for, angle A, plus angle B. How much daw angle B? We solved 55.78 plus the angle C, which is equal to 78.9. 180. Therefore, angle A, which is the one we're looking for, 45.32. Dali lang, di ba? Kasi given na yung dalawang angle, angle B just we solve, and the angle C, of course, just you minus the 180 degrees minus the two angles, that is the result of angle A, which is equal to 45.32. Ang dali lang, di ba? Anyway, bago ako mag-end ng videos, i-shoutout ko lang yung mga tao talaga na nakakatulong sa akin ever since sa YT World. Una, yung daughter-in-law ko na Kartika Agustina Channel, siya ang nagsabi sa akin na, Mama, mag-YT ka na. Eh, meron na akong YouTube since 2012. Pero, nag-upload ako noon just like that. Just I upload birthday videos. At ano pa ba yun, isa nun? Basta 3 videos yun na copyright pa nga yung happy birthday na kanta na yun eh. Tapos, after that, hindi na ako, just June 2020, yun nga sabi ng daughter-in-law ko, Mama, kasi nag-YT siya. Pero ang nangyari ngayon, naunahan ko pa siya. Ako patuloy nauna ma-monetize kaysa kanya. Dahil ako kasi na tao, kung meron akong may gusto akong gagawin, talagang ipursige ko kung talagang gusto ko ipursu yan. Ganyan ako eh. Kahit sa hirap at sa ginhawa, talagang gagawin ko yan para lang ma-achieve ko yung gusto ma-achieve. At salamat sa Diyos na kahit papaano naman talagang na-achieve ko yung dito sa natin sa YT World. Tapos, another person din, Lorna Tan's vlog. Kasi, siyempre, nandito siya sa Bahrain at doon rin, dahil sa kanya rin, siya nagsabi na ganito, ganyan. Tinutulungan rin niya ako talaga. Nagpupunta ako sa LS niya, although bihira lang. Kasi hindi rin kasi ako nag-i-LS, minsan lang nag-i-LS. Tapos, after na monetize ako, hindi na ako nag-i-LS eh. Nagko-concentrate na lang ako sa contents ng videos ko. Anyway, sa susunod na lang siguro ko yung talang compilation ng video greetings nila. Congratulations message.
Sorry, it's DJ.